Oh, here we go.
Litchfield, Connecticut. Remember, winds. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Tomorrow morning.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeast and Windham County, Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Newport County, northeastern Kent County, Providence County, Bristol County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Plymouth, Taunton, East Providence, Woonsocket, Dartmouth, North Attleboro, Milford, Bristol, and Marion. For your protection, room on the lowest floor of a building. Kent County, Providence County, Bristol County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Usbridge to near Dudley, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Providence, New Bedford, Fall River, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, Plymouth, Taunton, East Providence, Woonsocket, Dartmouth, Cumberland, North Providence, Franklin, West Warwick, Johnson, North Attleboro, Milford, Bristol, and Marion. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
WJMJ's doing this. End. SVR for Northeastern Tallinn, Northeastern Windham, Norfolk, Bristol, Kent, Newport, Rhode Island. Oh, I'm gonna go check WSB right now. I'll be right back. Oh! Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Windham County in northern Connecticut, northeastern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Newport County in Rhode Island, northeastern Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Usbridge to near Dudley, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Providence, New Bedford, Fall River, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, Plymouth, Taunton, East Providence, Woonsocket, Dartmouth, Cumberland, North Providence, Franklin, West Warwick, Johnson, North Attleboro, Milford, Bristol, and Marion.
Okay, Rhode Island PBS just did it. Dodgers and Litchfield, tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Here we go!
Albany has issued a tornado warning for West Central Litchfield County, northeastern Dutchess County, East Central New York, until 3:15 p.m.
Oh, TIC. TIC's doing it now. Oh, WZMX, you're...
Around 3:05 p.m. Dover Plains around 3:10 p.m. Kent around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lisbon and Furnace. Dangerous to those caught without shelter.
100.5.
Mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
100.5 is doing it.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Focus.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide the tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
WJMJ.
From flying debris.
Here we go.
Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Thank you for focusing, iPhone 11 Pro X.
Okay. No need to flex your iPhone, sir.
Okay, that was a lot, so that got us all off. Tornado warning! Central Litchfield.
Which one is it with the fucking alarm?
Over Cornwall Bridge. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and windows will occur. Damage is miles north of New Milford, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour.
WZVG. WZVG. Yep.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous.
100.5.
Reynolds Bridge, West Coast. Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. Mobile homes will be damaged.
JMJ.
Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
What the hell?
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cornwall, West Torrington, Torringford, Hotchkissville, Cape Vineyard, Pequodbuck, Reynolds Bridge, West Goshen, Harlong, and Skip Mountain. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Thunderstorm include Cornwall.
HG2 on WJMJ.
Try and get a channel 5. Try and get a channel 5. He's gonna be...
Tornado Watch number 457, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Connecticut: Fairfield, Hartford, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of...
Oh, it's thundering out.
Tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watch area.
Direction 42 should do it right now.
Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Hold on. Waiting for WXG 42.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a tornado warning for central Litchfield County in northern Connecticut until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Cornwall.
Okay.
The service in Upton, New York has issued
Oh, WJMJ.
3:16 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from
Oh.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Maryland around 3:40 p.m. Middletown and Hartford around 3:45 p.m. Waterbury and Naugatuck around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Waterbury and Naugatuck around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Around 4:15 p.m. The tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Madison around 4:15 p.m. Thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes. These storms may cause serious injury and significant around 3:45 p.m. Waterbury and Naugatuck around 3:50 p.m. Walcott and East Hampton around 3:55 p.m. Chester and...
Huh? Another one!
Due to severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern... Near Litchfield, or 10 miles northeast. It is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Power and gust winds for 5 hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include New Britain, Bristol...
Oh, 1069!
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include New Britain, Farmington, for the warning in Bloomington. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely if one is including extremely large hail, destructive straight line winds and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The severe.
Okay, that's over with. Double header.
Oh, shit. Now we're waiting for WSBE to realize the tornado watch.
Oh, I just saw it right here. Wait for it. Tornado watch!
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 457, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Connecticut, Fairfield, Hartford, Middlesex, New Haven and New London, and Suffolk, New York, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
What for our ferry?
Weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Hyde Park to near Mill Rock to near Amity, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour.
Oh. SVR.
Cornwall Bridge, Wingdale, Dover Plains, New York, Newark, Tilson, and Red Oak Valley. Until 4:45 p.m. for northern Connecticut and east central New York. For your protection, move to an interior and park to near Mill Rock to near Amity, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poughkeepsie, New Milford, Pauling, Hyde Park, Pleasant Valley, Curly, Amity, Kent, Sharon, Millbrook, Spencerville, Gaylordsville, Fairview, Stottsburg, Cornwall Bridge, Wingdale, Dover Plains, New York, Newark.
Oh, I should have checked WCBG. Well, I realized, dang it.
In effect until 7 p.m. for northern Connecticut and east central New York. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
TMJ's doing it. That's good. Tornado warning!
At 3:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over North Haven or near Wallingford, moving southeast at
What the heck?
tornado and quarter-size hail. Thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage. At 3:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. 3:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over North Haven or near
99 a month.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Thompson.
dangerous storms will be near Guilford and North Brantford around 4:05 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. In a mobile home, or in a shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Hello, Carson. Tornado warning for New Haven.
Feel good.
Okay, that's all. Hey there. Thanks for activating.
The Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound, Taconic and Gardeners Bays, Long Island South Shore Bays until 5 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles northwest of Essex Village to 19 nautical miles west of Westbrook Center to 31 nautical miles northeast of Baxter Estates, moving southeast at 45 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots.
Dang!
Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in subtly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Essex Village around 4:20 p.m.
Oh.
Westbrook Center around 4:25 p.m. Long Island Sound around 4:30 p.m. Deering Harbor around 4:40 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Connecticut and southeastern New York. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Okay then. Well, that's another one. Thunderstorm warning.
Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern New London County, New Haven County, Maplecourt County, southwestern New London County in southern Connecticut, New Haven County in southern Connecticut, Maplecourt County in southern Connecticut. Thunderstorms will loosen along the east shore from until 5 p.m. to mid-morning, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour in gusts and cold. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible.
70 miles an hour.
Around 4:20 p.m. Westbrook around 4:25 p.m. Southfield and Greenport around 4:40 p.m. Wading River and Shelter Island around 4:45 p.m. Riverhead and St. Southfield and Greenport around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Orange, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant winds. On the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant damage around 4:20 p.m. Southfield and Greenport around 4:40 p.m. Wading River and Shelter Island around 4:45 p.m. Riverhead and St. Harbor around 4:50 p.m. West Hampton and 5 p.m. Mastic Beach around 5 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Connecticut and southeastern New York. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Storm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Oh.
Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. New York has issued a special marine warning for Fire Island Inlet, Morges Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, Morges Inlet, Montauk Point, New York out 40 nautical miles, Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, Taconic and Gardeners Bays, Long Island South Shore Bays, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles east of Long Island Sound to 9 nautical miles southwest of Bering Harbor to 24 nautical miles northwest of West Hampton Beach, moving southeast at 60 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Well then.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near West Hampton Beach around 4:55 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern New York. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
On here.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Connecticut and southeastern New York. A tornado watch remains in effect for the Warren area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room.
Storm warning.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, northern Westchester County, and southeastern New York, Putnam County, and southeastern New York, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pittsfield, New York, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 60 miles by 49. Source, severe thunderstorm was located near Pittsfield, and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be known as a record. 5 p.m. Yorktown Heights and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near around 5:35 p.m. Stanford and Ridgefield around 6 p.m. Weston around 6:10 p.m. Norwalk and Westport around 6:15 Eastern New York. A tornado watch remains in effect for the Warren area. Tornadoes can develop quickly. And move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. 5:58 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 25 nautical miles northeast of New York Harbor, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Connecticut and southeastern New York. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Kinda knew this one.
The National Weather Service in
Raising left.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Suffolk County in southeastern New York until 6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm with 2 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wading River and Brookhaven National Laboratory around 6:05 p.m.
Oh, it's heading to Upton.
Wading River and Brookhaven National Laboratory around 6:05 p.m.
Oh, this is going right
tornado watch
for
remains
Upton.
in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern New York. Continue to series called Encore 2020.
Marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 7:45 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 32 nautical miles northeast of Baxter Estates, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Connecticut.
I think they're going to hold
Move
out
to
this
safe
tornado
harbor
watch.
immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Warning for Central Fairfield County, northern Westchester County,
Here we go.
southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York until 7:45 p.m. Brewster around 7:05 p.m. Bedford around 7:10 p.m. 7:15 p.m. Wilton and Reading around 7:20 p.m. Fairfield and Westport around 7:25 p.m. Trumbull around 7:30 p.m. Shelton around 7:35 p.m. A tornado watching around 7:20 p.m. in southeastern New York. A tornado watching in the warm area. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, central Westchester County, and southeastern New York, Rockland County, and southeastern New York until 8 p.m. This severe thunderstorm will be near Yorktown Heights around 7:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located in Yorktown Connecticut and southeastern New York. Stanford around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And Princeton around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Is a basement or small interior room. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including has issued a special marine warning for central Long Island Sound until 8:45 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 30 nautical miles west of Long Island Sound, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Connecticut and southeastern New York. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York until 9 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 14 nautical miles northeast of Baxter Estates, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Connecticut and southeastern New York. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Oh my gosh, another one? I just walked in here.
Gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Ronkonkoma and Middle Island around 8:40 p.m. Farmingdale around 8:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
WTTM.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has
WTTM. This is the new station. Yep, it's a new station found. WTTM, Cherry Hill. That sounded a bit weird.